Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we'll be making this amazing ribeye steak in some mushroom sauce. If you'd like to know how to make it, stay tuned.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time.
I listed all the ingredients that I used for this recipe at the beginning of the video. So to start, I started by prepping my veggies. I diced up my mushrooms, the onions, and then the garlic.
I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.
To a hot skillet, add in the olive oil and butter. Let that melt down before going in with your mushrooms. We're gonna want to cook these down a little bit before going in and adding our onions and the garlic. We want to make sure the mushroom juice is almost gone before adding the onions. Let those cook down, and then garlic until fragrant.
When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
At this stage is also when you add your thyme. If you have fresh thyme leaves, that's great. If not, then dry is fine as well.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
After that, you want to go ahead and season your steak. Just lightly rub it down with some olive oil and then season it with some salt and pepper. To the same skillet that you used, add in some butter and then go in with your steak. Also added some thyme leaves and garlic in there to cook the steak down.
I feel like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby.
Sear your steaks down to your liking. I cooked mine about 5 to 7 minutes per side before going in with 1 cup of red wine.
Making me feel like I'm falling.
We want the wine to cook until reduced in size, and then go in with 2 cups of beef broth. Cook that down a bit for about 5 minutes, then add in your cream. I also added 2 cups of cream.
Before the sun goes down, I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
After about 5 minutes, I added my steak back in along with the veggies and let those cook until the gravy was a little bit thick.
There's no one else here that I see but you.
And there you have it, you guys. This is how it came out. It was so amazing. You get to have restaurant quality food at your house. You can make this for yourself as a treat or make it for your special someone. Valentine's Day is coming up, so this will be a little special treat. My family loves this. If you get to try it, let me know how you like it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!